got hoes. I got hoes in different area codes. Area codes. Is it 'cause they like my gangsta wall? Gangsta wall. Whatever it is, they love it and they just won't let me be.
Alright, YouTube, your boy is back with some bullshit. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so this is my my new truck. Well, it's actually my dad's new truck. He bought this about a month ago. It's an 05 Silverado 1500 Z71 4x4 package. How's it going, D? Shout out to grandma real quick. Okay, Hanji. Oda, YouTube. It's for YouTube. But yeah, this thing was, you know, low mileage. It had like 130,000 miles. Picked up for like $8 grand. Pretty good deal. Crew cab. But yeah, so right now what we're working on is the notorious oil pickup O-ring problem. So right now I got the cross member and the skid plate off. As you can see, it's a very dirty. A dirty bottom. Very dirty. But yeah, so these 5.3s are notorious for fucking leaking at the O-ring at the oil pickup. So that's what's causing a ticking sound too, the lifter tick, and low oil pressure. And I just changed the oil pressure sensor on this thing too. So instead of doing the oil pump, because usually what I was reading that you'll get a check engine light if your oil pressure is way too low, it'll trigger check engine light, which means that your oil pump is pretty much bad. So this one doesn't have a check engine light, but this does have low oil pressure. Like cold start was at less than 40 pounds, which is no good. So that's what we're doing right now. Like I said, I got the cross member and skid plate out, and now I'm gonna have to take the diff, lower the differential, the front diff. So I guess there's a bolt right there, and then there's two bolts right there and then right there. So I'm gonna take those out. Hopefully it'll lower this bitch. I think there's another bolt over there somewhere. Lower this bitch and then do the oil pan gasket, oil pickup tubes, O-ring, and then yeah. So I watched a bunch of videos. It shouldn't be too hard. I'm just probably gonna time lapse this, and then yeah. So I'll update you guys after I lower this bitch. And yeah, all right. What are we doing today?
I already informed them.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I need to buy one of these.
Buy what?
This 4 feet long.
Look how nasty this shit is. Oi, what happened here? Why is this all gunk and shit?
Because this truck has all that oil leak that we're fixing first.
What are you doing?
Who put the thing there?
You go with my dog for like 3 seconds. Next thing you know, his water's on the floor. I know. Look at him. Look at Taryn. We're gonna follow around Taryn the whole time. Look at this shit. Look, this is working on Cars 101.
Oh, fuck, nigga, this shit's dirty.
Is there another extension? This one is too long. It's hitting the oil pan. Dad, can you just give me all the extensions that are over there? There's like a bunch of them. By the orange.
What are you trying to take off?
There's a bolt right here, and you need to hold the crescent wrench right here while I loosen this bolt.
There's not.
Akon, I'm so lonely, starts playing. The power team. You got Devin, the master mechanic, Taryn, the trusty assistant, and him.
No, you know who would have got it off? Raven.
How?
Dude, you know it too. That nigga Cubs is so handy when it's just like the stupidest shit, like the tightest shit ever.
Oh shit, look at this dirty. Look at that. That nasty. So how's it going so far?
Not good.
No good, no bueno. How are you doing, Taryn?
I'm doing pretty good, bro. Kind of dirty under here and shit. Let me see the camera. Oh shit.
It's at like 2 minutes.
Guys, I just want to show you how fucking dirty this truck is, bro. Like, that's bad, bro.
Pa? No, pa? Pa again.
Why would you just put a wrench on it and then use the jack thing on it?
Bite him.
Sit. Ignore it.
Oi, relax. You're gonna knock the whole thing over.
Yo, Evan,
Yeah.
can you give me another glove?
Where's the gloves?
It's on the rock.
Good.
Same thing what we're doing, but same way we're doing it, but he's just using a shorter,
Sasika.
using one of these and just doing it up above the bar. I guess it's not on that. Andy.
Name good.
Yeah, I did.
Darren wants to do that. Beginning of the
Hi. Come, my piss will go all over here.
Yeah, you were laying.
Is your jeans wet?
Yeah. Then both y'all pissed each other.
Shut up, bitch.
Is it a piece of wood or no?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Will this even reach?
Huh?
It might not reach. That's something I need a piece of wood.
Okay, put it
We used to have. All
I
of,
think I throw it away.
why would you throw a valuable?
Let me check them. It's pretty.
Dude, everybody and their mothers need a piece of wood. Like morning wood. No. I'm just kidding.
Oh,
2x4, 4x4. You know what I'm saying? Like.
Hey, boy, you can't be saying that.
I know, it's like- Oh, sorry.
This is the day life of a camera boy. He just walk around
There's a
following people.
fucking big ass piece of wood right here, but you gotta cut it.
Okay, let's go. Cut everything. Sauce, he saw, and cut.
What are you saying?
This is it. And CIA people do this. I can do this shit for free. I follow people all the time.
What?
I was like, essentially, a camera boy is doing. You just follow this one person around and
Well, give me a
capture what they
speaker
say.
Shout out to my 10th grade wood shop for me building these 6x9 speaker boxes.
You built that?
Yeah.
Well, that's why it's probably so shit.
Oh, he was like really proud of it too. That's why shit.
I'm not lifting the whole stuff on it. These speakers, no speakers were harmed during the making of this film.
I wonder why speakers is busting so shit.
As he goes, no. He goes, no speakers are harmed. As he's about to lift it up into under the truck.
Hey, I'm not lifting the whole truck with it.
That he is.
Shut.
It just starts breaking.
There you go.
You know, fucking duck leather.
Is it heavy?
Yes.
No fucking shit.
You not see my fucking arm, bitch?
Can I go? Okay, that's gonna fall. Hold it again.
Look at muscle man.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Okay, let go.
Please tell me you recorded that.
Yeah.
Let go. Okay. Time for jaw break. Tea break or whatever. Fucking.
Well, as you white people like to say, tea.
I know. Let's just drink jaw pants with them.
No, start draining the oil.
Oh, yeah.
While you guys drank tea, yeah, that's a pretty smart idea. Master mechanic. Master mechanic. Shit again.
I don't know where the bolt is.
It's right fucking. It's pretty fucking obvious. Are you a pod? That's the transfer case. We're fucking dumb. Look, sit down straight.
Sit that straight.
Oh, this.
Yes. Tell me what size you need. I think this is 14 or 16.
That's like a 14.
push against it as you're loosening it, so it doesn't.
I am, bitch.
Okay.
There, it's gonna come out. Oh, fuck.
Nice.
I was trying
That's
to,
Sunny's fault.
I know.
That's Sunny's
I was
fault.
trying to fucking push it more. It's okay. We have degreaser. It'll come out.
It looks so cool.
Well, I didn't,
So-
even, I didn't even take the cap.
Nigga, that shit looks dirty
Yeah.
as fuck, dude. That's like maroon. My dog's running away.
Ready? I'm gonna shoot.
Oh, look at this shit.
Look, I can't see the front. Here. Here, pull on the diff a little bit.
Down?
Yeah, pull down just a little bit.
I think I'm damn near lifting my fucking self up. Is there another bolt back here? Kobe! Wait, Devin, hold on.
Oh, fucking connector.
Hold on.
And then he crashed the car, broke it, and blew up. Then.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that's what happened.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so here's what the fucking oil pan looks like. The bitch was leaking all over the place. You gotta change your pad now, you know what I mean?
Insert
Dude,
laughing
bro.
crack.
This nigga all sorts of fucked up right now, bro.
Back and forth, dude.
For sure you see white? That's crazy.
What? What do you mean?
It's a joke because it's so. Man, your humor's whack. Your humor's whack. Oh.
Dude, I'm gonna bet some fucking nerd next gonna watch the video and be like, are you doing this wrong? You're doing that wrong? You're doing this wrong?
What is wrong about cleaning? How the fuck am I doing this wrong?
You're supposed to be going clockwise, not
I know,
counterclockwise.
fucking Keyboard warriors, kiss my ass, literally.
You're supposed to be wiping in 3 inches only, up and down, then you can move on to the next patch.
You're not supposed to be using that fucking purple shit right there.
And degreaser.
You're supposed to be using some fucking $120 fucking 1 ounce degreaser.
Heard it once, Mike.
Oh yeah, guys. Remember the KX house right here?
Gone.
Yeah, it kind of blew up.
Or melted.
What did we learn, Taryn? Not to run a bike on no cooling.
What did we learn? Check your coolant before riding.
Alright, so I got the fucking oil pickup tube out, and look. Voila, I was right. That was the fucking problem. The split O-ring. The infamous split O-ring. Oh, come on. You guys could kind of see. Alright, like I was saying. So, I was right. This O-ring on the oil pickup split. So, that's what's causing the low oil pressure and the oil not going all the way to the top of the valves. So, it causes a lifter tick. My autofocus doesn't want to play, but yeah, that's right. I'll try to zoom in on the editing. If I remember. But yeah, so that's split. So, I'm going to fix that real quick. Oh, I gotta clean all that shit up. Who's calling me? Alright, it's Terrence thing. Let's see what he wants. Yo.
Oh, there's one that's a low velocity stabilizer.
No, just get the OG stuff. Not low viscosity, just a standard.
And there's heavy duty one too, but I don't see the standard one.
FaceTime me.
Alright.
No, the heavy duty. Next. Yeah, that one.
This one? It's
Yeah.
the big one.
Yeah, that's fine. That's 1 quart.
Okay.
That and then the 3/8
Got that already.
Okay, alright, cool.
Alright, fine.
Okay, bye. Alright, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I just cleaned up the oil pan, the little baff or little cover for the little end part, and then I'm about to put the new oil pan gasket, which is sitting in that box, and then the O-rings in there, and then yeah. So I'll turn the camera on once I get all that back on. So yep, there's a split O-ring, and then there's a new one. It goes around. God damn it, autofocus. Fucking Sony's autofocus is a piece of shit. At least on this camera. But anyways, yeah. So that's the difference. Alright. Alright, Dad. You wanna tell the camera how the oil thing did yesterday? Oil job. Why? Is it leaking? Did we fix the problem?
Yeah, we did.
Yes.
So far, we did.
So far, so good. Problem is fixed. So we finished last night at like around 11:30. No, don't break it.
What, 12 hours?
Well, that's because we took a lot of job breaks and going O'Reilly's 9 different times. And then so this morning we're doing the power stop brake kit. So we already got the passenger side in. Looks clean. Cause these brakes are shot. Like we were going downhill one time with the dirt bikes in the back, and they were smoking once we got to the bottom of the hill. So yeah, that shit's fried. And right now, alright, so finally got the brakes on. Oh, there goes my water bottle. Alright, so the brakes are on. So the braking procedure, what I usually do is I'll do like a 50 or 60 mile per hour slam, and then 40, and then 30, and then I'll let it cool off, and then I'll do light brake. Those are gonna be heavy brakings from 50, 40, and 30, and then just medium braking from 40 and 30 after that, and then you just let it cool off. So right now I'm gonna go to like an open spot. Actually, right now I'm gonna just do 50 or 45, 50. We'll see. Everyone's gonna be like, "What the fuck?" All right, so there's 50, and then brake. All right, that wasn't that hard, but you know, hard enough. Alright, so came back after braking them in. They squeal like under 35 miles per hour, so I don't know. Hopefully I did the braking properly. Hopefully I did it right. If not, then I guess that's just the characteristics of these pads and the drill that's slotted, I guess. It brakes good. Like, it stops a lot better than before, but it's just squealing and it's kind of pissing me off. But we'll see. We're about to go to Tahoe, and then we'll come back, and then we'll see if it still does it. So yeah, that concludes this video, man. Shout out to this thing, man. One day we're gonna restore it to its former glory. One day.
Yoda boys. Gang gang.